What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hopefully you're having a great day. Like always, if you guys are new, my name is Oscar. I post weekly videos on men's fashion. So yeah, guys, make sure to subscribe and turn the post notification on to know when I post. I've been gone for a bit. Last week I was sick, so I couldn't really record anything, but I did do a $100 challenge. I'm currently editing this video right now, but for today's video it's just gonna be me getting a different hairstyle. I've had this hairstyle for like almost 3 years, I think, so I want to change it up. If I don't like how things end up looking like, I'm gonna change it back to this hairstyle, but for maybe a week or two, maybe a month, I'm gonna try a new hairstyle. But the hairstyle I want to try to do something similar, is something like this or maybe like this. I'm still deciding on how I'm gonna be styling it, but something like that. I'm trying to get my sides to grow long because they're pretty short in the sides right now, so I'm gonna do that. I'm probably gonna do a taper right here, and that's it. A taper in the back too, and then put my hair back or maybe split it in the middle. I don't know, it depends on how I'm feeling, But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it. I'm probably gonna go do my eyebrows tomorrow as well, after I do my haircut or before I do my haircut, but I don't know. Alright, guys, so right now I got my haircut. I don't know if y'all ready for this. Honestly, I like it. So yeah, guys, let me not make you guys wait, and I'm gonna show you the haircut that I got. This is the haircut that I got. I was getting tired of my long hair, so I was like, let's cut everything off, and this is the results. I got like a tape, a low fade basically. So yeah, guys, this is the sides, as you guys can see. This is the back. I also did my eyebrows, as you guys can see, because they were getting really bushy, and I had like a unibrow right here, so I had to do my eyebrows as well. But yeah, guys, this is my hairstyle for now. I don't know if I'm gonna split it in the middle like I said, or like put it back. I don't know. I type like this, and I want to keep it like this for now. But yeah, this is gonna be my hairstyle for maybe a month. I'm gonna see how it goes. So yeah, well, I don't want to make this video just on my haircut, so I decided to add a little unboxing from ASOS. You guys know that's one of my favorite sites to shop online. So yeah, guys, I got 2 turtlenecks. So yeah, guys, let's open this up together. In the size small. Alright, guys, let's try this on top of this shirt. Who cares? I like it. It fits good in the sleeves. Guys, so my thoughts on this turtleneck. It's pretty thin. It's see-through, as you guys can see right here. You can see the polo, but that doesn't really bother me because I bought this layering. And if it was thicker, I feel like I wouldn't be able to layer more comfortably. Guys, so next, same one but in a different color. This one feels more like a sweater. This one felt more like a t-shirt material. If you want something soft, definitely go for this one. I mean, it's a little bit tight on the sleeves, so maybe I should have gone a medium. So yeah, guys, my thoughts on this one. Personally, I feel like this one was a little bit smaller because I got small, and I don't know, it feels like an extra small. But besides that, it's a pretty good product. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like this video. And yeah, guys, catch you guys in the next video.